Welcome to the video of how to make a dot plot, histogram, and box plot in Desmos. Now, using first of all, we're gonna make a list. So we're gonna go L equals, and then we're gonna go square box, and we're gonna take our data. So I'm gonna go to our SAT score data, and I'm gonna copy our SAT score data. And I'm going to paste that. I'm going to paste that in here. And I noticed that I didn't need to actually do the bracket. It did it automatically. So I deleted the brackets. Now first of all, I'm going to do a dot plot. So I'm just going to type in dot plot, and then I'm going to go parentheses L, enter. And I'm going to zoom out to where I can see where my dot plot would be. These are my SAT scores, so I have over 2,000 data points in this data set, so it's going to look a little solid. If we had a smaller data set, we would have actual dots. If I wanted to make a histogram, all I have to do is type in histogram and do the same thing I just did up there. I'm going to turn the dot plot off, and there's my histogram. And then if I want a box plot, this one's kind of hard to see because of the sheer size of the data. And we're excluding outliers, so we get the outliers to be seen as dots as opposed to the minimum and maximum. And we can zoom in and we can see our median, our mean, our median, our quartile 1 and our quartile 3 quite easily. And we can superimpose all of those things on top of each other if we want, or not, just by turning it on and off. Desmos is an incredibly powerful tool. I hope this helps. I should show you guys how to use the worksheet. The worksheet that I made. I will go to Stats Tools. I want to open that graph. This is the worksheet. All you need to do is you need to fill in your data. So if I had, say, the housefly data, I would just copy this here. Oh, come on. Direct paste. Oh, I need to delete the fill in your data here. And everything is coming up roses. Okay? Hope that makes sense. Have a great day.